Alright guys, so welcome to another day. So I got some news. This boy got totaled by a careless driver that hit me. So yeah, this thing is toast, man. Ford Ranger is what hit me. You can see the frame rail is like crunched. So yeah, this car's done. It was a good car, Toyota. Freaking sucks. But it kind of took the back out a little bit too. Both airbags deployed, da 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 da. But it brings me to my next daily driver. Thankfully, I'm not hurt as much as I should have been. You know, things like that. I'm not going to go into detail. Still getting, treatment and stuff like that. So, but I have this car, a 2002 Lexus GS300 that I picked up from Denver. This thing's freaking super clean. Pretty mint inside. As you can see, like a teal wheel, all that kind of stuff. All stock. Has pretty much like all of the amenities you could think of. Heated seats, all that kind of stuff. But I'm just excited that I have a car now because it was really difficult getting to work. My wife had to take me, and we only have one car, and she's doing school and working with her mom and stuff. So, but this thing today, I'm gonna actually try and take off this stupid lug lock because they didn't have the keys. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. So actually got another new car. New to us, used. So it is a 2016 Jeep Renegade. It's actually really nice. As you can see, new. The inside's really nice too. It's got like cloth stuff, but I like it. And they got like little Easter eggs on this thing, which is kind of funny. Like, look at the little caveman. That's cool. And then they got like little rock Jeep thing crawling. Pretty cool. But I'm gonna put some freaking drifty boy wheels on the Lexus and see how that thing looks. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So I guess one of the secrets is to take a 12-point socket, hammer it on there, and use an impact. So we're gonna see how that works. Look at that, dude. Look at that. It comes off. How are you gonna get this boy out of here is the question. Think about cheap Harbor Freight freaking sockets. And that's how you get the lugs off. Those stupid locking lugs. You just hammer a 12-point on there. Obviously you can see I nerfed 4 sockets, but it's better than freaking destroying a wheel or something. And all the threads came off clean, so just 2 3/4 and 2 19s, not a big deal. Now it's time to put on